Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Surfshark for malware protection features easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in surfshark.com and press enter. Once the Surfshark website loads, look for the Get Surfshark button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Get Surfshark button to proceed to the pricing plans. You will see multiple subscription options displayed on the screen. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. After selecting your plan, click on the Continue button. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email address, as this will be used for your account confirmation. After entering your email, create a strong password for your account. Once your email and password are set, choose your preferred payment method. Fill in your payment details according to the chosen method. After completing your payment, your account will be created. You may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox to verify your account. Now that your account is set up, download the Surfshark application. You can find the download link on the website or in your account dashboard. Click on the appropriate version for your device, whether it's Windows, macOS, Android, or iOS. Once downloaded, open the installation file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. After installation, launch the Surfshark app. Log in using the email and password you created earlier. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu usually found in the bottom left corner. Look for the security or malware protection features within the settings. Enable the malware protection option to start ensuring your device is safeguarded against threats. You're now ready to enjoy enhanced security with Surfshark's malware protection features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.